This is our presentation on HourGlass.
Imagine this. You have a major project due tonight. You have hammered away at it for hours, but you are stuck on that one little last thing. You walk to the TA room and wait for the TA. After waiting for more than 30 minutes, you find that no one has arrived to the room. You wonder why and email your TA, only to find out that the office hours have shifted to Zoom. You finally log into the meeting, but find yourself at the end of a very long queue and fail to get an opportunity to get your queries clarified. If you're finding managing academic life hard, you are not alone. This is made further hard by multiple updates across an array of scheduling tools. And that is where HourGlass comes in, our one-stop solution for managing all classes and office hours.
To start off our demo, we're going to go to HourGlass's landing page. The first step to using our application is creating an account. So I'm going to create an account with my uni, my name, and a password. And for the purposes of this demonstration, I will be a professor. After signing up, I come to the profile page of HourGlass, and I can see multiple different things here. Since I'm a professor, I have the opportunity to create a new course. So I will come here, and I will create a course with a course title, course name, a course description, such as Engineering Software as a Service, and I can add TAs to my course. So I can add TA such as this, and I can create my course, and I'll see my course show up on this side. I can return to a profile, and as a professor, I can create office hours for my course, but my teammates will get into that further.
So now we're going to walk through the user flow for a TA. I'll start by signing up for a new account using the uni that was previously added to the course. After signing up, we can see that I'm redirected to the user dashboard. Unlike the professor, I can't create a new course as a TA, but I can still create and edit office hour slot. If I want to add a new office hour slot for the course that was just added, I'll navigate to the Create New Office Hours button here. From there, I'll have to input all the details. In this case, I want to add a slot from 3 to 5 p.m. on Wednesday, November 29th over Zoom. I also want this slot to repeat for 3 additional weeks. So when I'm finished, I'll hit Create Calendar, and I should see 4 slots in total. Now I'm redirected back to my dashboard, and I can see all 4 slots on my page. Let's say I have to cancel my office hour on December 6th, because I'll be away at a conference. To make the change, I'll navigate to the Edit Current Office Hours button here. Now I can simply hit Delete and confirm. And when I go back to my user page, the slot on the 6th should not be visible anymore. Now I'll turn it over to my teammate to walk through the student user flow.
All right, now I will show you the application from the student's point of view. First, I will log in using an account I previously made for myself. Once I log in, you can see the profile page for the general student. Notice that on the sidebar, since I'm only a student, I do not have access to any of the professor or TA functionality, like adding office hours or classes. Now, let's say I would like to check the office hours for the class that my teammate just added. I can go to the dropdown right over here, pick the class, and hit the Add New Viewable Course button. And now you can see that it has been added over here. So now I can go into my schedule, and once I do, it will open up a screen with a calendar for the current week. As you can see, each block on the calendar represents an office hours event, and the blocks are color-coded by course. Then, if I hover over any one of these events, I get a text blob on the side providing more information about the specific office hours event. The text blob provides information such as the person holding the office hours, the course that is for, time, and location. I can also hit the Next Week button to go to the next week's office hour schedule. And similarly, I can go to the previous week and see the previous week's schedule. Also, at the bottom of the page, you'll notice that there is an Updates for the Week section. Whenever a TA makes an edit to their specific schedule items, the calendar will automatically be updated, and an update is generated at the bottom of the page to keep people informed about any changes. So for example, my previous teammate edited one of the calendar events on December 6th. So if we go to that week, we should see that on December 6th, that TA has canceled that event. So through all of these different functionalities, all users will easily be able to go through their office hour and schedules and find the latest and most up-to-date information.
So now, why do we need HourGlass? What does it provide that other solutions don't?
While some alternatives like Google Calendar, Ed, and Courseworks exist, these solutions are not reliable for office hours and class schedules because they handle a wider variety of problems. These services handle everything from course announcements and assignments to class discussions and grading. However, due to their broad scopes, none of them have a clean way of viewing office hours in particular, which leads to the pain points discussed earlier. On the other hand, HourGlass is designed as the office hours app. It is specifically designed to provide a succinct and transparent view of class and office hour schedules. The app is tailored to meet the needs of students, TAs, and faculty at a university setting. HourGlass addresses the pain points discussed earlier by removing the ambiguity and making all information available in a concise format. It allows a clear distinction between different applications and makes our office hour updates through other applications such as Ed and Courseworks unnecessary. In the future, when people need to check their office hours, they'll know they need to check HourGlass because we're the office hours app. Thank you so much for your time.